Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Versa steering wheel. First, always prioritize safety. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental airbag deployment. Ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight and lock the steering column. This provides a stable base for your work. Gather all your tools, including a ratchet, an extension, and a specialized steering wheel puller. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer. Next, we'll safely remove the airbag module. Look for two small access holes, usually on the sides of the steering wheel. Use a T30 Torx bit to loosen and remove the retaining screws found inside these holes. Once the screws are out, gently pull the airbag module forward. Carefully disconnect the electrical connectors from the back of the module. Remember to handle the airbag with care and store it safely away from your work area.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find the link for darn tough socks and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's tackle the main steering wheel nut. You'll need a 19mm socket and a breaker bar for this. Loosen the large center nut, but here's a crucial tip. Do not remove it completely. Leave it threaded on a few turns. This prevents the wheel from flying off unexpectedly when it breaks free. Before you proceed, use a marker to align the steering wheel and shaft. This ensures perfect reinstallation later. With the center nut loosened, it's time for the steering wheel puller. Attach the puller to the two threaded holes on the steering wheel, ensuring it's securely fastened. Position the puller's center bolt against the steering shaft. Now, slowly and evenly tighten the puller bolt. You'll feel the tension build, and then, with a gentle pop, the steering wheel will loosen and slide right off the shaft. Remove the puller and the wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.